Hey everyone, welcome back to the Bike Buzzin' channel. In today's video, we're diving into one of Harley-Davidson's most exciting new releases, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Breakout 117. This machine is a perfect blend of power, style, and innovation, making it a standout in the brand's iconic cruiser lineup. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2025 Breakout 117 such a thrilling ride. Its design aesthetics bold and aggressive. The 2025 Breakout 117 continues Harley's legacy of bold design. From the elongated profile to the low-slung muscular stance, this bike demands attention wherever it goes. The 117 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine is perfectly framed by the sleek, minimalist design, complete with custom finishes and a range of stunning color options. The extended forks, fat rear tire, and detailed chrome accents give it that classic, high-performance Harley-Davidson appearance, while the low seat height offers a commanding yet comfortable riding position. Whether you're cruising the highways or just admiring it in your garage, the Breakout 117's design is a showstopper. Engine performance power unleashed. And at the heart of the 2025 Breakout 117 is the new 117 cubic inch Milwaukee 8V twin engine, packing an impressive 125 lb-ft of torque. This engine is not just about power, it's about delivering that power smoothly and efficiently, ensuring you get a thrilling ride every time you twist the throttle. With an upgraded air intake system and improved exhaust flow, the 117 engine provides faster acceleration and smoother cruising speeds. The low-end torque and overall responsiveness of the engine are perfect for riders who crave a thrilling, no-compromise performance machine. Technology features next-level riding experience. The 2025 Breakout 117 isn't just about raw power, it's packed with modern tech to enhance the riding experience. The full-color TFT display offers real-time information at a glance, from navigation and ride modes to vital bike stats. Plus, with advanced rider aids like cornering abs, traction control, and cruise control, you can ride with confidence and control in almost any condition. The Breakout 117 also features improved LED lighting, ensuring better visibility both day and night. The new smart security system is another great addition, providing an extra layer of protection for your pride and joy. Comfort handling built for the road. Even with its aggressive styling and power-packed engine, Harley-Davidson didn't compromise on comfort with the 2025 Breakout 117. The new rear suspension is adjustable, allowing you to tailor the ride to your personal preferences, while the front forks are tuned to provide better stability at higher speeds. The 240mm rear tire gives the Breakout a solid, planted feel, making it perfect for long highway rides or city cruising. The low-profile seat combined with mid-mount foot controls ensures that you're always comfortable, whether you're on a weekend joyride or hitting the open road for a cross-country adventure. Conclusion. Is the 2025 Harley-Davidson Breakout 117 worth it? So there you have it, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Breakout 117. With its powerful new engine, striking design, and advanced features, it's clear that Harley has created a bike that not only celebrates its heritage but also embraces the future. Whether you're a long-time Harley fan or someone looking for an unforgettable cruiser experience, the Breakout 117 is certainly worth considering. If you're interested in learning more, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with your thoughts on the new Breakout. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.